Hello friends, let's try to understand application of chi-square with the help of marketing use case in Microsoft Excel. As we know that chi-square test of independence is a statistical hypothesis test that determines if two categorical variables are independent or not. So let's try to take an example from the context of marketing. Let's say a marketing team wants to know if there is an association between age group and preference for a type of advertisement. Mainly we can consider here there are three types of advertisement: video ads, media ads, and banner ads among the potential customer. So for chi-square we require two categorical variable, and here we can understand there are two categorical variable. One is age and second is advertisement preferences. So to apply chi-square test, we can frame our hypothesis in this context. Our null hypothesis will be there is no association between age group and advertisement preference, whereas our alternative hypothesis could be there is an association between age group and advertisement preference. So to work with Excel, we have collected data from, let's say for example, 300 potential customers, and those data are here. You can see table. The first table is actual observation. Age group categories are these: from 18 to 25, 26 to 35, and 36 to 45 years. And here you can see the types of advertisements. So this is the actual observation collected from 300 samples. Now in Excel, to calculate the chi-square value, p-value, we require expected observation as well. So to calculate expected observations, I have created the second table, you can see here, and now we have to calculate value for each cell. So this value can be calculated like this: total of column multiplied by total of row divided by grand total. So this value will be 33.33, and as we have you can see here we have same value, so this value can be same for all cells here. So now we have both actual values and expected values, actual observation and expected observation, to calculate chi-square test. So to calculate p-value here, we have to type chi, and there are many chi-square tests. You have to select this chi-square test. It will ask for two values. First is actual range, you can see here, and second is expected range. So first you need to select actual range, then put comma, and then select expected range. Close the bracket and you are good to go. So here you can see that your p-value is 0.00, and if you compare that p-value with 0.05, then it is less than 0.05, and if your p-value is less than 0.05, then your null hypothesis is rejected. So based on this, we can conclude that there is an association between age group and advertisement preference. I hope you understood it properly. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.